Jade's training session. Okay, you ready? Hey, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Come, bring me the ball. Go get the ball. Get the ball. Come on. Good girl. Well, you're supposed to put it in my hand. Okay, sit. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's do one more. Because I really like you to actually bring it to me. Sit. Stay. Stay. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get it. Get the ball. Come on, go get the ball. Good girl. Bring it. You just kick it to me. That doesn't really count. Sit. Down. Good. Okay, let's show off your best trick. Let's show off your best trick. Okay. Do you want to do this one? Okay, come here. Come here. Sit. Stay. 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 Okay, jump. Come on. That wasn't very energetic. But you did it. You did it, you little leaper. Okay, all right. Don't bump the computer. I know, baby, you're a good girl. Yes, you